Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the panorama photo in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, you have to slide up and search for the camera application here. Then slide right, and there you have a panorama option here. And as you see, press the capture button to move the phone in the one direction. Yep, so let's try with the panorama. All around the right. Then if you want to end the panorama, just hit the stop button here. And now let's see how the panorama is look like. As you see, it's looking some like that. Of course, you can make the much more panorama on the left, on the right, on the up, on the down. So everything is on your creative. So anyway, that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.